let's welcome fall with a super cool pizza pan sign. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we start with a pizza pan. I painted it with 2 coats of this white chalk paint. Let it dry. Then we have this calendar that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to pull out the Hello October. I'm using a splatter screen because it is the exact size of the inside of a pizza pan. Did you know that? Isn't that fun? Anyways, so then just cut off the excess like this. I'm using a crocodile and I'm popping a couple holes in the top just so that we can have a hanger. And I have some thicker jute that I put a little bit of masking tape on the end. Actually, it's painter's tape. Yeah, it's painter's tape. Not that it matters. I twist it a little bit and then I can put that through the hole and it doesn't fray and it takes way less time. So I'm going to do that. And then all I do is just knot each of the ends and we have a hanger, right? And it's not like taped on so you don't have to worry about it falling off. Next, I'm going to put Mod Podge all on the inside part of our pizza pan. Let it dry. Nice and dry now. We're going to take our Hello October calendar page, get that centered, then put a piece of parchment paper on top, and then we're going to iron it. Now listen, it is a pizza pan, so it's metal, so it's going to heat up with your iron. I know. It's okay. Just be careful. It's going to get hot. I know. It seems like I shouldn't have to say that, but I guess we do. So there's that. And I love it. Look at how pretty already. I love it. I like doing it this way because then you don't get wrinkles in your calendar page when you put it on. Yeah, I know. All right. So next thing, I'm just distressing the edges. So I'm using this Spanish moss colored chalk paint with a dry brush, and I'm just going around my edges. And then I did a little bit on the inside as well. You don't have to do that part, but I thought, why not? All right, so next step is I got these cute little acorns from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to bend it so that it follows the curve of that pizza pan, and I'm going to glue it onto our pizza pan. And then the next step, I found these garlands, these leaf garlands from Dollar General, and all I'm doing is pulling all the leaves off so that it's off the garland part. And then I put some glue on the bottom, and then I'm going to go and put these all around. And I'm basically like stacking them, if that makes any sense. So I lift up the one before, put the new one underneath. Lift up the one before, put the new one underneath. Does that make sense? I go all the way around and do this. Is it necessary? Could I have done it a different way? I guarantee there's an easier way to do this. But as you all know, if you're not new here, you know I don't take the easy way to do anything. But look at how cute that is. Maybe too much, maybe too little. I don't know. Then I have a raffia bow. I just tied a raffia in a bow. That's all I did. And then I glue it on the top and stop it. Look at how cute this is. Super fall, super pretty. Oh, my Lanta. And this is what it looks like sitting down. But then I hung it up. Oh, I love it. Man alive. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.